At its core, Revit is a database, and every view is a report produced to display the data in a particular way. Most of those views are graphic, showing a plan, elevation, or detail view of the building model. But reports can also be text-based tabular reports or schedules. A schedule in Revit is just another type of view, but it's text-based rather than graphic. Since a schedule is just another type of view, however, it's not static. As you make changes to the building model, schedules automatically update to reflect those changes. You can even make some changes within schedules, and those changes immediately cause related changes to the building model. Schedules in Revit typically report information based on the parameters associated with building elements. For example, every door component in Revit has parameters that keep track of the height, width, and thickness of the door, as well as its material, fire rating, door number, and so on. Similarly, walls include parameters that keep track of things such as dimensions, materials, and fire rating. Room elements have parameters that keep track of the room name, room number, area, volume, and so on. You can see many of these parameters in the Properties palette or in the Type Properties dialog. When you create a schedule in Revit, you are basically creating a tabular report that displays specific parameters of specific types of objects. When creating a schedule, those parameters are called fields, and the schedule resembles a spreadsheet. You can choose which fields appear in the schedule and how they are arranged and sorted. You can filter the content so that only information matching your specific criteria actually appears in the schedule. Once you create a schedule, you can place it onto a sheet and control its appearance on the sheet. Since a schedule is a report based on information within the Revit building database, it's a simple matter to use schedules to report quantities, such as the number of doors in a project. And since many of the parameters associated with building elements report values, such as the length of a wall or the area of a room, you can also perform calculations within schedules. Again, since a schedule is just another view of the building model, when you change data in the schedule, that change affects the building model. For example, when you change the width of a door in a door schedule, that door immediately changes size in the building model, so the change will appear in every plan, elevation, or other view in which the door is visible. You can also place tags in drawing views to identify building components. Typically, tags in Revit include door and window tags that show the door number or window type, and room tags that show the room name and room number, and can also even report the actual room area or volume. The information shown in a tag is a label that reports the values of one or more specific parameters associated with the object being tagged. For example, a door tag typically reports the mark or door number parameter of the door. A room tag reports the room name and room number parameters. When you change the door number, either in the Properties palette or in the door schedule, the door tag immediately updates. And when you change the door number value in the tag, you're actually changing the door mark parameter, which will also cause the door number to change in a door schedule.